Yes, good morning, guys. Today is another day. Today is 4th of October. First of all, I would like to say I'm so sorry that I was not uploading the video from the previous week क्योंकि मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स थे एंड कि मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स पहले रह गए थे तो it was a very hectic time for me. I have to clear them also. I know that these exams make no sense. कुछ नहीं पढ़ाते सिर्फ फालतू की चीज़ें but still I have to clear them off. So yes, I'm once again saying because I feel bad because I'm not an inconsistent person, but still the situation was that I couldn't upload the video. But yes, from today we are going to upload the consistent videos. Today is October 4th. Today is Saturday, so market is closed. So we are going to start with our fundamental analysis for the next week. So yes, a quick tip, a quick summary for today would be that we are just going to of course go to college to waste our time and we are going to आज मैं हाफ डे लेके आ जाऊँगा आई बिलीव एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू डू द फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस वी विल रीड अवर बुक दैट इज़ द 48 लॉज ऑफ पावर एज यू गाइस नो जो भी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है एंड उसके बाद व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी आर गोइंग टू जर्नलाइज जो मेरी जर्नलाइजिंग्स रह गई हैं एंड फॉर द लास्ट और द लास्ट सैटरडेज जर्नलाइजिंग जो मेरी रह गई है वो कंप्लीट करनी है एंड आई विल गिव यू yes, so today video will focus deeply on journalizing, that how to increase your probability, increase your understanding of charts to generalizing. So that without wasting any time, let us just move to the fundamental analysis and I'll see you guys in a bit. So yes, now it is 6:58 and now let's finally talk about the technical analysis for the next week, and let's talk about a little summary of the previous week. So yes, now let's see what the previous week looked like from Wednesday. So as you can see, we had the NFP that is postponed. As you can see, the ISM services PMI came in exactly what we expected, so it does not make that much of impact on the economy. On Thursday we had nothing, and yesterday we had the ISM services PMI once again. We have the NFP, but it is tentative, so it got postponed. So the ISM services PMI came in 54.2. That is, that is a point up, but still does not make much of a good impact. Now, what we have to do, I believe that this week is going to be a big week, a big and important week. So as you can see, from 5 to 10, it is going to be a big week, and I believe the price of gold will manipulate a lot in these because we have good reads. So if we see on Monday, that is 6th of October, we have nothing important, but we have the speech. So I'm just going to look on that. On 7th of October, we do not have anything, as you can see. In terms of USD, we do not have anything. We have the FOMC member Kashkari speech, that is going to be a good impact thing. We have to see what the members think. As you can see, the FOMC member, we have to look at what they say and what they think of the economy. So yes, on October 8th, we have the FOMC meetings minute that we, this is going to make huge impacts on the uh, our current price action for gold as well as the USD, because USD is constantly falling while gold is constantly rushing to the upside. This is not a good signal for the economy, but it's good for gold that we want. On October 9th, as we can see, we have the, as you know, it is the regular Thursday. We have the unemployment claims. These are the tentative, so these could be postponed or came in late, but otherwise these are going to come in. This is going to make, of course, this is going to be a huge factor of the economy if the rate cut theory is working or not, if the unemployment claims are bouncing in or not. The last time unemployment claims came in good, which made a huge impact on the price of gold, as the price of gold went in down as the USD gained a little bit of support, because ये जो हमारा main reason था rate cut का, that was the job data, and the job data is now coming in good, I believe. I was waiting for the NFP, but it didn't came. So this is the last week of the year. So this is the last day of the week, and this is where the things are going to change. As we can see, we have the whole job claims as well as the USD jobs data, which is going to make a huge impact on gold, and I believe each of them is going to come in improved, because I believe the economy is currently improving in terms of USD because of the fact कि हमारा rate cut theory अब work कर रही है, and I believe these each and everything is going to come in good. And if it going to come in good, then I believe gold is going to hold the all-time high level, and it is going to just look for a retracement to the downside, and that is what my entry would be. That is where my entry would be. So this is going to be a this is going to be a very 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 important day, very 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 important day. So yes, let's see what happens, and I'll update you guys in a bit. Now let's talk about the technical analysis, and then we start to analyze a little. and then we'll move to college. So yes guys, this was all about the fundamental analysis for today and the next week. Okay, so the day that we will be looking on, and we have been we should be focusing on, will be 10th of the October, because that is where the most of the job claims and data is available, and that is what would be the deciding factor of the next week, I believe, and that is what will drive the price from there on. So yes, now without wasting any time, we'll talk about the technical analysis later. Now without wasting any time, we'll just start our generalizing, because it is what improves each and everything. So yes, without wasting time, we'll start generalizing, and then we'll talk about the technical analysis. Then I'll go to college. Then we'll continue our day. So without wasting any time, let's go. So yes guys, my little bit of generalizing is now complete. I have looked at the fundamental analysis, and yep, to be honest, आज काफ़ी बात करनी है for the economy, to understand myself that what the economy really wants and where it is really heading, these days. Uh, so yes, now without wasting any time, I'll just now get ready for college, and then I'll see you after that. And so yes guys, now without wasting any time, it is 8:30 now, so I'm just going to go to college. I'm a little late today, but I think I'm going to take a half day today, so yes, let's see. So yes, I'll see you guys after college, and yes, let's see what happens. Again, what the last thing that I want to say before going to college is that manifestation is the key to success. Working hard plus manifesting is what creates your future, according to me, and that is what I exactly do. So yes, keep your aims set that what you want in life. Like I've showed you 100 times, but I'll show you once again, because this is what the key to success looks like. Is just know what you want and you will get it. Work hard for it. So yes, now let's go to college, and then see you guys uh, when I come home. सो यस गाइस, नाउ इट इज़ 6:30 टू बी एग्जैक्ट, एंड आई जस्ट केम होम. मैंने आज छुट्टी नहीं ली क्योंकि आज टेस्ट था, इसके वजह से आई कुडंट छोड़ नहीं सकता था उसको. मैं कुडंट जस्ट लीव इट. सो नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, वील जस्ट गो गेट द टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. अब मैं आने में थोड़ी देर हुई क्योंकि ऑटो नहीं मिला मुझको. सो यस, नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, आई जस्ट सी यू इन द टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. Okay, so yes, guys, now without wasting any time, let us talk about the technical analysis for the opening, that what I expect and what we expect for the week. So as we can see, we are currently at the higher time frame, that is the 4 hour time frame. From this level, that was the higher, this was the all-time high till the 30th of September, and as you can see, we had a great impulse to the downside, due to which I considered कि इस level पे एक good amount of liquidity होगी price. But on the other hand, on the next day only, that is 1st of October, took it out and created all-time high, new all-time highs at 3895 level. And what we can see is that we can see a consolidation, because the price does not have a clear specific direction currently. We also can see we had a kind of double top kind of pattern structure just right here. I could have taken a position on this position just right here, but I missed, because I believe that price will, price could even take out the all-time highs, but instead of taking out, price went all the way toward downside. To be honest, I should have taken this entry, and so yes, so what we can clearly see is that price didn't grab liquidity from the recent liquidity point, that was just right here. It was the all-time high of 23 September. As we can see, price made a retracement to the downside after such a long rally. So I believe that this level contained a good amount of liquidity also at the same time. So I believe that price will, price will probably hold it, but it broke it to the upside. So this becomes a breaker block kind of structure, as you can see. Also, it leaves an FE just right here, which got filled exactly just right here. This is where I took my entry. I took my position from just right here on the all-time highs, my orders was missed on this position. As you can see, my orders were placed at this level, but the price instead of coming down to this level or even at this point, price get liquidity from above. So मेरा यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी एंट्री मिस होगी, no worries on that, because in the game of trading, do not ever look at missing opportunities. You're going to get million opportunities more. There's no such thing as FOMO, trust me. I can guarantee that ये चीज़ realize करने में it will take years, but at the end you will just know, you'll just come to a simple conclusion that there is no such thing as FOMO. There is no fear of missing out. Opportunities will come to you indefinitely. There are infinite of opportunities that are going to come you daily. So uh, what we can expect is that if the market opens, we can expect clearly I have a bullish sentiment on price. What we can see clearly for the next, if the price came open to the downside and comes back retesting this current all-time highs, previous all-time highs at 3867 level, that is where I'm going to take my bullish entry, and we could probably see that price breaking out this all-time highs and created new all-time high just like that. So this is the first scenario which we can be looking on. And on the next scenario, on the other hand, could be probably the fact that price opens bullish to the upside, take out this current all-time highs, or even grab liquidity from these all-time highs. The first scenario is that it break out this all-time highs, creates a bigger block structure, retested it, and goes all the way towards the side. So this is my second scenario. This is where I'm going to take my second entry on this trade, and this is what I expect. Let me just show you at a higher lower time frame that what we can probably expect. So yes, what we can clearly see is that this was the move that I was telling you that I missed because of the fact that I was not present here. I could have definitely taken this position because each and every metric of my strategy supported it. Also, this was the nearby liquidity. This was the nearby all-time high price. Grab liquidity from it. We could have captured the movement from this right here to all the way towards there with my stop loss minimum just above these all-time highs, but I didn't took it because the price was retesting the all-time highs, and as we all know, it is a dangerous situation. So yes, so what we can expect now is that price could probably open to the upside, grab liquidity from the all-time highs, went all the way down and continued uneven rally. And the other scenario that I would be believing is that price opens all the way towards this right here, grabs liquidity from once again from this level and continues the rally to the upside. To be honest, according to me, I believe that price is going to hold on this position and not take out the all-time highs currently, because well, it could even take out, but मेरे पास ये सारा scenario कि अब as you know कि 10th of October is going to be an important day. That is where everything is going to be in a situation that we should be looking on. वहीं पर पता लगेगा कि प्राइस एक्चुअल कहाँ जाना चाहता है. सो प्राइस could even hold this all time highs. So yes, I'm going to take my entry if everything seems in good at this right here, or if price come back retesting down to this level. This is what I expect, and yes, let's see what happens. So yes, this was the technical analysis for the next week and what I expect. I believe that I'm just going to take the entry in the nearby level, that is the previous all-time high. I believe that is where the price will manipulate to the downside, and from there we could see a potential rally to the upside. That is what I'm trying to capture. And yes, as you can see, this is not a good time to take positions because we are currently at the all-time highs, very near at the all-time highs. So this is a fragile area which we should not be trading upon, as you know. But still, we just have to. I'll look for the best opportunity that are supported by my strategy. So this is it. Now I'll just eat dinner and then we'll back to generalize. We'll understand more concepts. We'll read our book, and after that, yes, this is it for the day. And yes, let's see what happens. And what I want to say is just manifest. This is the key to success. And yes, I'll see you guys after having dinner. So yes guys, now it is nearby 12 in the night, and I have to sleep a little bit. मुझे आज जल्दी सोना है क्योंकि मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी सी ख़राब हो रही है, as you can judge directly from my voice, because I am having a high fever today. मैंने भी to be honest पेन किलर ली और पैरासीटामोल ली, उसके बाद जाके मैं थोड़ा बैठ पा रहा हूँ. So yes, I'll still do my work. मेरा थोड़ा सा work रह गया, that I'm going to complete now. अभी थोड़ा काम complete करूँगा, then I'm going to edit my video, and after that I'm just going to sleep because to be honest, today is Saturday, we cannot read, and I have to do the fundamental and the technical analysis for the day. I have articles to read that I'm going to read tomorrow only. So yes, that will give us some more insight of what the economy looks like and what could be the probable actions for the price action for the next week. So yes, this is it. So what I'm going to tell you about generalizing, that the master key, that will help you to improve your skill, and generalizing from you'll become 10 times harder, is that of the fact that you should do as I do. I do my generalizing for the day before taking a trade in three uh, easy steps. First of all, in four easy steps. First of all, I analyze the condition and just write down my idea that what I want for this trade. Second, I write down the economy or the fundamental analysis and will check the economy and fundamentals if it support my position. On third section, I have my technical analysis, that what are my signals and what the things that I look for, like SMT divergences and anything, the order flow analysis. Each and every analysis comes to in section 3, that is the technical analysis, and the fourth is the execution section, in which I track each and every second of what I feel in my trade. So yes, what I want to say is you have to generalize in 4 steps. First of all is the idea, that what you expect that is going to happen in the chart. Write it down on the first pages of the trade. Secondary target should be the fundamental and the economical analysis. See if the overall situation and the current world situation supports your entry. If if the economy is down, will the gold go up or not? Second, check this. On the third, you have the important part, that is the technical analysis, because as a trade trader or a swing trader, you need technical analysis is your most strongest point. So yes, technical analysis is the most important thing. Check each and every, that what signals is the price entry, have your edge, you have your indications plain, order flow is bullish, everything you have to make sense. You have to just catch it in the numbers. It is technical analysis and confirmations. And the fourth is of course the real-time price action checking, the tracking or the execution data. Each and everything that you feel at the crucial moments, write it down, that what do you feel. If you exited a trade early on, you should write that also, and उसको बाद में इम्प्रूव करना कि मैंने ये जल्दी एंटर क्यों करा, व्हाट डिड आई एंटर्ड. ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके ये सारी चीज़ें मास्टर होती हैं, एंड यू लर्न थिंग्स. सो दिस इज अबाउट जर्नलाइजिंग. Tomorrow I'll just give you a more deeper insight, that what a proper journalizing looks like, and just show you my journalizing for a day, that how do I properly journalize. So this is it. What I want to say before sleeping is that I know that where I'm headed. I'm manifesting. Trust me, I have had many problems in my life. I'm still having them, but I know no matter what, I'm born to become a great personality. I'm born to become extremely rich and wealthy, and I'm going to do everything that takes. I am the hardest worker in the room. I am consistent. No one can defeat me, and I know I'm the best. I put it, you know, unimaginable hours in this shit. I know I have given each and every day. I haven't think of anything else except become extremely rich and wealthy. That is my main priority, my goal. I know everything is gonna work at the end, no matter, because I'm putting in the work. I know I have faith. I don't want to say that I know that I'm on the path of becoming a very, very, very wealthy man. And yes, I'll become so. I'm gonna have mansions in different countries. I'll have time and location freedom. I have so much money that I wouldn't even count. The people will know me. I'll become famous. I'll have respect. I will have voice. That is what I'm going to become. I'm just born for becoming great, and I know that no matter of my heart. I say it daily to myself before sleeping. So yes, what I want to say, just keep manifesting, man. Just keep manifesting. So yes, it is 12 now to be exact, and to be honest, I'm feeling kind of dizzy because of my health. I having a my immunity is kind of low currently. I do not know why. So it's now without wasting any time, I am just going to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on Sunday. Good night. Peace.